Hello, everyone. Today's chronicle takes us back to a beautiful memory. Even though this was captured last December during our Christmas party. Let's go back for a moment. Let's pretend it's still December 2025. That December, we visited Magaso Falls, located in Barangay Oringao, Cabangcalan City, Negros Occidental. The name Magaso comes from the Hiligaynon word aso, meaning smoke. When the water crashes down the rocks, it creates a mist that looks like smoke, which is how the falls got its name. Early that morning, we met a friendly tour guide, si Manong. Yes, si Manong nga naka-blue. Nalipat lang ko galing sa iyang ngalan, kagka very informative sa ginahambal niya about the place. Nami, gigito si Manong nga tour guide. I'm not saying nga nami siya, just for the sake sa sining nga vloga. Walang eme. Si Manong friendly, at the same time, nami siya nga tour guide, kay ka-informative sa ginapanghambal niya. So, libre pa ni siya ha, wala siya nasukot sa amon sa iya nga, kung baga service fee, kay hambal niya, libre na kuno kay may bayad man sila from the city. So, ari kami subong nagalabay sa sininga pool. Kay aside sang falls, may pool pagid. Well, siya kilid sini, kagabi, di man kami naghiwat sa aman Christmas party. Kag nag-enjoy man na kami, paligo po sa sang kagabi sa sinang pool. Pero samtang gapakadto dito nakita na may mini fall before kita magkadto dito sa main falls gid nga natawag Mag-Aso Falls. O kanami no ari kanami sang structure niya. Di ka makadto overlooking dira ang pool tapos running water katahom sang lugar. Kag near sa sininga pool may mga cottages man nga pwede rentahan. If I remember it right, that time around 1,500 pesos ang overnight stay sa cottage. Take note ha, that was last December. So bas may nagbago na sa presyo, especially now with rising cost and oil price hikes. As we continued walking, we saw beautiful flowers and a greenery along the path. There was even a mini waterfall before reaching the main attraction. So ara siya, tahuman ko bala, namian ko sang sound sang water. Babla nilang lagaslas ng tubig. The rushing water kag ang natural scenery, grabe kanami. And then came the famous 108 steps going down. By the way, amo na siya gal mga cottages nga bako kagina nga tag 1.5. Before reaching the main falls, there are several stop stations where you can pause, catch your breath, and appreciate the view. From these spots, you can already see the river below, the flowing water, and the breathtaking glimpse of Mag-Aso Falls itself. One thing that really amazed me was the tortoise-colored water, the beautiful tortoise shade that makes the river and the pool look so refreshing and magical. It's the kind of color that makes you stop and say, "Wow, ari lang gali ini sa Negros." And here's the amazing part. Balik ta tubla sa istorya ta parte kay Manong. Si Manong knew exactly where to stand and where to take a photo to capture the perfect angle of the falls. Siya pa nagatudlo sa amon nga diri bala mo. Ma'am diri kay mo ka ma-picture ho. Siguro tungod man sang iya years of experience sa pag-guide sa mga local kag international visitors man nga kadto sa sini nga lugar. Because of his guidance, we were able to capture beautiful memories and the best views of the place. Looking back, the trip wasn't just about visiting a beautiful place. It was about the journey, the people we met, and the memories we created along the way. Sometimes, even when life gets busy, the best stories are those simple moments shared with friends in places where nature quietly reminds us to slow down. Sa tunga sang kakapoy kakabisi sang kabuhi, may mga lugar pariyo sang Mag-Aso Falls sa Oringao, Cabangcalan nga naga-remind sa aton nga magpahuway kag magpasalamat sa katahom sang kalibutan. Hidden in the heart of Negros, it's more than just a waterfall. It's a reminder that nature still has stories waiting to be discovered. This has been Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. If you enjoyed this little trip back to December, like, share, and follow for more chronicles from the road. From nature, kagikan sa aton adlaw-adlaw nga kabuhi. See you in the next chronicle. Bye!